Hello there, this is a problem to find the derivative of the function, but pause the video for a little bit. Think about it. Do you have any ideas? You must be confused with that question, probably because it is not written into the basic way to find the derivative, which is y equals to what. But in this case, you need to consider a way called implicit derivative, which means that you can start by finding the derivative of both sides, so that you can plug dy over dx into the function and then use basic algebra rules to find the value of dy over dx. Now let's do it. What's the derivative of cosine? Let's consider cosine as a whole at first. So it's negative sine xy times the derivative of xy, the triangle, which is the derivative of y, dy over dx, times x, plus the derivative of x, dx over dx, times y. This is apparently 1, right? That's 1. What's the derivative of x to the 5th power? Derivative of x, which is 1. I just write it. Times 5x to the 4th power. That's easy. And what's the derivative of y to the 5th power? Of course, this should be normal to the case of x to the 5th power. Let's just write it. dy over dx, the derivative of y, times 5y to the 4th power. Okay, so how can we find the value of dy over dx? Not this one. We should put all those stuffs in this way. A coefficient times dy over dx equals to another thing on the right? So let's just multiply it out. The thing will change to negative x times sine xy, which is this thing, and let's put the right to the left, which is minus 5y to the 4th power times dy over dx, which equals to, this case then, what's this? Y, negative y times sine xy minus 5x to the 4th power, right? Because I put it here then. So what's the value of dy over dx? It should be, let's just copy it again, negative y sine xy minus 5x to the 4th power over negative x sine xy minus 5y to the 4th power. Of course, these are not all negatives, right? So we can all put them into positives, positives. And these do not need to exist. So the answer changes to this. Y sine xy plus 5x to the 4th power over x sine xy plus 5y to the 4th power. And that's it for the way to use implicit derivative and for this problem. Thank you for listening.